Hi there, Dr. Jason VanHorn, Professor of Geography at Calvin University here to test the GEO-AI tools for extraction of cars in transportation analysis. Now I'm using the GEO-AI tools in ArcGIS Pro, which are a set of tools that require deep learning Python libraries that I show you where to download in another video, and I'll link in the description below. Let me go to the toolbox, then GEO-AI Tools, Imagery, and then the extraction tool. Here you can see the tool has many pre-trained models, and that's what I want to test if the pre-trained models given in the toolbox perform well or not. So I load my drone image, and it doesn't conform to one of the specifications of the tool that imagery should be minimally oblique, but let's see how it works anyway. Now we could adjust the parameters to include just right angles or other aspects, but I'll keep it default for this test. And now I can click Run. Here are the results, which performed well. In total, it found 59 cars, but missed some obvious ones and was poor on the edges and where trees block the view. But because of these good results, I'm going to proceed with my next step to actually analyze a large crowd event on my campus with my drone and ask what capacity we have in our current campus parking. I hope you found this test to be helpful to your GIS endeavors, and thanks for watching.